Welcome to this essential lesson on phishing attacks in the crypto security series. Phishing is one of the most dangerous threats facing cryptocurrency users today. Unlike traditional banking, where transactions can sometimes be reversed, crypto transactions are permanent and irreversible. This makes protecting yourself from phishing attacks absolutely critical. In this video, you'll learn how to identify phishing attempts, recognize warning signs, and implement proven strategies to keep your digital assets secure. Phishing is a type of social engineering attack where criminals impersonate legitimate organizations to deceive you into revealing sensitive information. These attackers might pretend to be your crypto exchange, wallet provider, or even customer support. Their goal is to steal your private keys, seed phrases, or login credentials. What makes phishing especially dangerous in the crypto world is that once your assets are stolen, they're gone forever. There's no bank or authority that can reverse the transaction or recover your funds. A single moment of distraction or trust in the wrong message can result in losing everything you've worked hard to accumulate. Let's explore the most common types of phishing attacks targeting crypto users. Email phishing involves mass emails that appear to come from exchanges, wallet providers, or crypto projects, often demanding urgent action. Spear phishing is more sophisticated, using personal information about you to create highly targeted attacks that seem incredibly legitimate. Whaling specifically targets high-value individuals like executives, large crypto holders, or influencers with advanced social engineering techniques. SMS phishing, also called smishing, uses text messages claiming your wallet has been breached or needs immediate verification, always including malicious links designed to steal your information. Beyond emails and messages, attackers use several other methods to compromise your crypto security. Fake websites are clone sites that mimic legitimate exchanges or wallets with URLs that are only slightly different from the real ones. These sites capture your login credentials the moment you enter them. Malicious links are spread through social media platforms, Discord servers, and Telegram groups, often disguised as exclusive airdrops or special opportunities. Fake apps are counterfeit wallet applications distributed through app stores, designed specifically to capture your seed phrases and private keys. Impersonation scams involve fraudsters posing as support staff, influencers, or project team members, directly asking for your sensitive information under various pretexts. Learning to recognize warning signs is your first line of defense against phishing attacks. Be immediately suspicious of any message that creates urgency or pressures you to act quickly without time to think. Always carefully examine URLs for misspellings or slight variations in domain names. If an offer seems too good to be true, promising free crypto or guaranteed returns, it almost certainly is a scam. Remember this golden rule: no legitimate service will ever ask for your private keys or seed phrases under any circumstances. Poor grammar, spelling mistakes, and unprofessional formatting are common indicators of phishing attempts. Finally, unsolicited messages from unknown senders, especially those offering help or opportunities, should be treated with extreme caution. Now let's discuss practical strategies to protect yourself from phishing attacks. Always verify URLs by carefully checking the exact domain spelling, and use bookmarks for sites you visit frequently to avoid mistyping addresses. Enable two-factor authentication on all your accounts, but use authenticator apps rather than SMS whenever possible, as SMS can be intercepted. Never, under any circumstances, share your private keys or seed phrases with anyone. These are the master keys to your assets and should never be disclosed. Before taking any action requested in a message, independently verify the request by contacting the company through official channels listed on their verified website. Don't use contact information provided in suspicious messages. Implementing additional security layers significantly reduces your risk. Use hardware wallets, also called cold wallets, to store significant amounts of cryptocurrency. These devices keep your private keys completely offline and protected from online attacks. Keep all your software updated, including wallets, browsers, operating systems, and security software to ensure you have the latest security patches. Continuously educate yourself about new scam tactics and emerging threats in the crypto space, as attackers constantly evolve their methods. Install browser extensions that block known phishing sites and flag malicious addresses. These tools provide an additional safety net by warning you before you accidentally visit dangerous websites. If you suspect you've been targeted by a phishing attack, act immediately. First, stop all interaction with the suspicious message or website. Do not click any links or download any attachments. If you believe your wallet might be compromised, transfer your funds immediately to a completely new wallet with fresh private keys that have never been exposed. Change all passwords associated with your crypto accounts and revoke any smart contract approvals you may have granted to suspicious websites or applications. Finally, report the incident to the affected platform, exchange, or relevant authorities. Your report can help prevent others from falling victim to the same scam. Let's recap the most important points. Phishing attacks succeed because they rely on deception and manipulation. Always verify the authenticity of any communication before trusting it or taking action. Your private keys and seed phrases are the ultimate access to your cryptocurrency. Never share them with anyone under any circumstances, regardless of how legitimate a request may seem. When a message creates urgency and pressures you for immediate action, that's a major red flag. Legitimate services never rush you or threaten negative consequences for taking time to verify their authenticity. Stay vigilant, maintain a healthy skepticism toward unsolicited communications, and keep your security practices strong. Remember, in the world of cryptocurrency, you are your own bank, and security is your personal responsibility.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.